Hi, you guys. I wanted to show you the beautiful working that we're doing for the new Moon Hearth Service for January. These beautiful 13 gorgeous, amazing individual candles are burning on my hearth altar for 13 amazing clients. Each one of these candles is an orange skull candle for opening up new ideas, problem solving, new ways of thinking. That's the Aquarian new moon. And the sun is also conjunct with the new moon, both sun and moon in Aquarius. And yet each candle is like a beautiful snowflake, so individual, so unique, and so incredibly, incredibly gorgeous. This is just such a powerful and amazing working. It was amazing to work in this way and to work alongside 13 other people to do this amazing work. We're going to be having another one coming up in for February, our new moon in February, new moon in Pisces, and we're going to be doing heart healing work. So February 8th, the sales open up. That's on the full moon at 12 noon Pacific time for this beautiful, beautiful work. If you'd like to be on the new moon hearth for February and be part of the Pisces new moon and sun in Pisces, both in Pisces, then you will want to get on that. So you can find out more information with the link that I gave you in the description, but I just wanted to share this beautiful, beautiful working with you. Oh my gosh, my house is super magical right now. Love you guys. Bye.